working at your enamel. Once the enamel is done, it's done. You can't get stuff. I would recommend
It's been hiccuping for like 15 minutes.
regular toothpaste. Promamel that helps to reharden the enamel, help protect your teeth from further oxidation. For enamel, I use that every day, twice a day, and I know that I am protected.
Some people think it only protects your car.
Get him out.
Allstate can also protect your car.
Oh. There's too much air in your stomach.
And your life. Not many insurance companies can say that, but Allstate can. Now that you know the truth, know this. The more of your world you put in good hands, the more you can save. Dollar for dollar, nobody protects you like Allstate.
Where are you going? Oh no, he wants food. Trying to put your head up by yourself?